Hey Foodie Fam, I'm Chantel and I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. And as you can see, I'm not in the kitchen today because we're doing a story time on how I became plant-based to begin with. This story is very heavy for me, so you guys just bear with me as I, recount some things about how I got started, and let's get into it. So I started my plant-based / weight loss journey probably in the most cliche way ever, which would be experiencing tremendous heartbreak. I was in a relationship for 9 years and previously engaged, and that kind of started my whole journey to healthy living, if you will. Post breakup, I was almost 300 pounds. I was in a very dark place. I was depressed. I didn't like what I was seeing in the mirror, and I had a very hard time loving myself during that season. And I knew that something needed to change, but I just didn't know how to start that change. I cried a lot, as most do when they're grieving something. And I will say that I don't even know if my dad knows this, but he really helped me get through that time in a great way. And every time I think about his advice, I do still get emotional about it because it really helps me pull through. So he told me one day, he was just like, look, I understand that you are hurting. I understand that you are in pain, but that doesn't mean that you stop living, and you need to live for yourself. And I really took that and said, you know what? You're right. I need to. I can't sit here and kind of just wallow away anymore. I have to continue moving and continue, living like he said. So I decided to get up. I started working out, doing some weight training about 4 to 5 times a week. And that was going well, and that helped me with my endorphins and all of that. But I also knew that I needed to change how I was eating as well. I tried literally everything under the sun when it came to weight loss regimes and dieting. I did intermittent fasting, I did juice cleanses, I did water cleanses, omitted certain food groups and all of that. And although those did work for a certain amount of time, it wasn't sustainable for me because I'm a huge foodie. I like excitement with my food, so I didn't like doing it, and then I wasn't losing weight anymore. So I was like, okay, the only thing that I haven't tried yet would be a plant-based lifestyle. And of course, switching up my lifestyle was easier said than done when it came to eating. So I am a chef by profession, so I was like, oh, I got this in the bag. I already know how to cook professionally. What's a plant-based diet? And it was actually really hard for me. I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't see on the internet at the time things that were helpful to me, useful to me, and the stuff that I did see wasn't exciting. It was salads and just oatmeal for breakfast. Although I do love oatmeal, but where's the variety? That's what I needed. So I was like, well, I guess I'm just going to have to figure things out for myself, throw meals together, and kind of just hope for the best. There was a lot of trial and error, I will say, and there was a lot of things that I found out that I did not like. Like zucchini noodles, not a fan. I don't like that. I love zucchini, but just in noodle form, it's confusing to me, and I don't understand why people do it. And kind of having that focus, I think, on trying to figure out what to eat and all of that helped me to kind of channel all my energy towards something different and not hyper focusing on the fact that I was, in pain at that time emotionally. And luckily for me, I had the support of my family. I had the support of my therapist. Shout out to all of them because they really helped me get to where I am now, which is a healthier version of myself, physically, emotionally, mentally, and I love that. And where was I going with this? Either way, shout out to them. So I started a plant-based diet and I tailored it to myself. I know a lot of times we could get on the internet and get kind of confused about what things mean, how we should focus on a certain lifestyle choice and whatever else. But for me, I'm plant-based and I still eat eggs, I still eat cheese, and on occasion I eat fish. And that's just what works for me, that's what works for my body, and that's what works when it comes to my weight loss journey and also my weight retention journey as well. I just couple all of that with lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, because I just love them. Like, that's the simplest answer. So once I started to really actively start a plant-based lifestyle, that's when the weight and body fat just started to melt off of me. And I was just like, okay, I could do this. This is what my goal was. I'm glad that I'm able to achieve it. And I'm having so much fun trying to figure out, new recipes to try and all of that. So I was just like, okay, I can stick with this. I like this. It's sustainable. So as I continued my journey with plant-based eating, I kind of realized that there are probably people out there who are like me, who just want to be healthier, who want to change their lifestyle with their eating, but they don't know where to start, how to start, and are worried about if it's going to be boring and they're going to be depressed every time they eat. And that's kind of just how like Chantel's Foodventures came about, because I'm just like, okay, I saw the need in myself and I couldn't find anybody on the internet to give it to me, so I could be that person for other people so that they could be, excited about eating healthier, have recipes that are easy to follow along with, and all of that. So that's why I'm here. And I really hope that those who do follow me and who are subscribed to my channel do see it as a benefit, because that's really what I want for this channel. As I started losing the weight, continuing to go to therapy and all the things, that's when I really started to gain my confidence back. That's when I started to learn how to love myself again. Like, it had nothing to do with the weight in itself, but it was just a mental battle that I didn't know I was going through, where I didn't have the capability of loving myself. And this whole journey really put me through the ringer, I'm not gonna lie. It was probably the hardest thing I ever had to deal with. And I'm still grateful for it, because it got me to where I am today, where I am happier, where I'm at peace, where I'm confident in myself, where I could walk into a room and nobody can tell me anything. Because I know the amount of work that I had to put in to get to where I am now. And it's just a great feeling, like sometimes we do have to go through things in life and it's hard, painful, crazy, and all of that. But once you're on the other side of it and look back to how far you've come, like, you have no other choice but to be grateful that you made it through. During this journey as well, I was able to get a closer connection with God. Me and him, we are best friends now. And I'm so happy that I relinquished all control and gave everything to him in regards to my healing, my direction in life, and all of that, because now I'm just so at peace. I really am, guys, and it's all thanks to God. Like, honestly and truly, if it wasn't for him, I don't know where I would be. I don't know how my mental health would be, because it was a lot. I was going through a lot. So if you're looking for a place where you could start a plant-based lifestyle or continue a plant-based lifestyle, Chantel's Foodventures is definitely the place for that, so don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Foodie family. I have many resources for you guys, and most of them will be in the description below, so you could take advantage of them. And yeah, I'm just happy that you're here. If you are seeing this video, welcome. And let's just, tackle this healthy lifestyle together. I hope the story time really resonates with some of you guys watching. Just know whatever you're going through, you will be able to push through and get to the other side of it. It is not your permanent place. You got this. You are going to be in a better place soon enough. And yeah, let's just continue with gratitude, continue with positive thinking, and just know that I got you, God got you, and let's just do the thing. See y'all next time. Oh yeah, remember, healthy doesn't mean boring.